Hey guys, welcome back. Today I want to share with you the miniature dollhouse puzzle kit that I made. Basically, this kit was designed to be cut out either on a laser, a Cricut machine, or printed on an inkjet printer or a sublimation printer. Now, with that being said, this kit is designed to have either removable pieces or stationary pieces. So I'll show you in this video basically what I mean by that. So as you can see here, I'm removing the pieces and putting them back into the puzzle. Personally, I like the scored area where it doesn't cut the pieces out, but it looks like they're cut because I will lose all of the pieces. That's just who I am. Now, this is me cutting it on the laser on whiteboard. Here it is. I'm taping the image to the whiteboard and I am putting it in my sublimation protective paper here. So that way it doesn't ruin my heat press. It's basically butcher paper. I'm going to heat it up to 385 between 45 and 60 seconds to press the image onto this. Now, with that being said, you have to remove all of the tape and all of the paper off of it once it's done, and you have to know your heat press. Some heat presses may take more time, some may take less time. May need a higher temperature, lower temperature, whatever. But don't worry, if you don't have a heat press, you can do a couple of things to make this work for you too. You can either print it on sticker paper and then layer the sticker paper over top of your cutout, or you may actually use Mod Podge and Mod Podge it on top, because I've given you both sets of images. I've given it to you with the mirror image and without the mirror image. And as you can see, I've lost a few pieces of puzzle here because this is the removable set. Now, don't go too hot if you're using the whiteboard because it will raise that laminate up. This one is a scored one, which as you can see, it looks like the puzzle pieces all come out, but I didn't cut it deep enough on my laser to make that happen. However, if you're using the printout version of this for the inkjet printer, you will have a set where it shows you those lines so that it looks like it too for you. They're very small because they're made for dollhouses in the 1/12 scale. This is the back. It's cut out of cardboard. Well, actually, it's cut out of 110-pound cardstock rather than cardboard. I'm just going to glue it to the back of this. Make sure there isn't any glue that is within the area of the puzzle pieces, so that way it doesn't glue my puzzle pieces back in place. And I'm trying to do this with one hand and hold the camera because I didn't plan on recording this, so I didn't set my camera up. All right, so there it is. Make sure there's no glue in there, and here you have it. All of the puzzle pieces will fit snugly back into there. The images with this are super, super colorful. So if you want your images to be as colorful as they are on the actual printout, then you're going to need to sublimate on sublimation material, meaning that if it has the coating on it that's strictly for sublimation, you'll get the best image. If it does not have that coating on it, then your image may be a little bit duller like this one. Now, you can also do the printer paper with the sticker on the back of it, and you'll get the great image as well. But you can't cut through that with a laser, so that's something to keep in mind. All right, in the meantime, this is the Dollhouse Puzzle Kit that is set to have PDF and SVG files for you. You can use it for your Cricut, Inkjet, your laser cutter, your cardboard can be layered to make the puzzle in your Cricut. So that will be nice. You can glue it together and have the same effect. I do have a Cricut. I may do a video with that for you, but that just depends on the time. But in the meantime, don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a question, suggestion, or comment below, and check out my other YouTube channel with Adventures with Laurie if you like to see different places like DC and surrounding areas and what's there. All right, have a blessed day.